I'm gonna have to come in and fertilize the, what they call it, the drop area where the water runs down, of the circumference of the tree, and come all the way around in here and fertilize on the outside of this part, because I already gave it nitrogen and some compost. So they say when your trees start fruiting, come in and give them another dose of fertilizer. So that's what I'm gonna do. And when I tell y'all, she is loaded, loaded. And hopefully, I don't think this tree got sick. One of my other trees that got sick. So definitely be monitoring your fruit trees, you guys. Let's see what's going on over here with this persimmon. Alright, it's trying to do something. So as you can see, all the trees are blooming. Some of them I have to come in and prune back. Like this part of the tree, when you got branches growing this low, like in here, this is what you don't want. So you got to come in here and get those branches off. You want your tree to keep an hourglass shape. You do not want these down here, okay? All right. So this is what it's looking like, you guys. They are all blooming. This one is still budding, so it's about to come out. It looks like it's about to come out. I don't know, it's taking its time, so I have to keep my eye on this one right here. All right. Okay, guys. I gotta come through here with some ant killer, because the ants is getting crazy. Y'all look that way. Alright, you guys, I hope y'all guys enjoyed this update and this tour on all the progress that I have made on the homestead. SEK is still in the game, y'all. Still in the game. I just been lifing. Alright, family. So this is SEK, the homesteader. I still got my little ladybugs. Alright, family. So this is SEK, the homesteader. I will see you guys in the next video.